morning. I hope you are all good. Welcome to my new blog. It has been raining since last night. It's time to make breakfast. Let's make masala paratha. Today I am making paratha for myself. At first I am making a dough with ajwain, amchur powder, salt, sugar and Kashmiri red chili powder. I will enjoy this paratha with dahi and achar. Now having mango lassi for midday snacks. It's so easy to make and also healthy because I am not using any sugar. My big basket order just delivered. Now having my evening tea. It's time to make dinner. I had some boneless chicken. So let's make chicken bharta for dinner. At first, boil the chicken in a pressure cooker. Now make a onion paste. now it's done. Just received a parcel from Titan Eye Care. Few days back, I ordered a sunglass. It looks nice. What do you think? So it's time for dinner. I am so hungry. Chicken bharta was simple but delicious. I just loved it. So that's it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. Till then, see you guys in my next vlog.